Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your domain to Squarespace. Alright, let's begin. First, open any preferred browser and search for account.squarespace.com. Once you find it, sign into your account and then navigate to your account's dashboard. Here, select the preferred website for which you want to add the domain, and your website editor will open up. Inside the editor, click on the settings icon located in the left side panel. From there, access the Domains tab at the top left side. Now, select Domain from the menu and you will have two choices. You can either get a new domain or use one that you already own. So just click on the second button and enter your domain name. You will see that your domain pops up in the window. Now, click on the Connect Domain button, select Get Started, and then click on Next. You will then be presented with a guide of instructions. Simply click on the top embed and sign into your hosting account. After signing in, navigate to the Name Servers tab and click on Change Name Servers. Select the second statement and enter the mentioned name servers. Once you have done that, save the changes and continue to the end to confirm the connection. So that's basically how you can connect your domain to Squarespace. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.